Welcome back to Nutrify. Today, we're diving into an intense yet effective upper body workout, focusing on two key muscle groups, your biceps and triceps.
If you're ready to shape and grow those arms, this session is for you. Stick around till the end and get the full pump to feel the burn and see real results. Warm up. Arm circles. Shoulder rolls.
Before we dive into the heavy lifting, let's warm up those arms and shoulders. Start with some simple arm circles and shoulder rolls to increase mobility and avoid injury. Remember, a good warm-up sets you up for a great workout. Warrior rest for 20 seconds.
Exercise number 1. Dumbbell curls.
Let's kick things off with a classic dumbbell curls. Grab a pair of dumbbells. Keep your elbows tucked in and focus on squeezing the biceps at the top of each rep. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Don't rush it. The slower and more controlled the movement, the more you engage the muscle. Warrior rest for 30 seconds.
Exercise number 2. Hammer curls.
Next up, we're switching the grip for hammer curls. This variation targets both the biceps and the brachialis, helping to build thickness in the arms. Keep your grip firm. And remember to control the lowering phase. Slow and steady wins the gains here. Warrior rest for 30 seconds.
Exercise number 1. Tricep dips.
Time to work on those triceps, the muscles responsible for arm definition. Position yourself on a bench or chair, hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body down and push back up, focusing on the triceps. Keep your elbows tight to your body. Let's go for 3 sets of 12. Warrior rest for 30 seconds.
Exercise number 2. Overhead tricep extension.
Now grab a dumbbell and get ready for overhead tricep extensions. Hold the weight above your head, elbows close to your ears, and extend your arms up, squeezing the triceps at the top. This is great for hitting the long head of the tricep for maximum growth. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps. Warrior rest for 30 seconds.
Superset. Bicep curls. Tricep pushdowns.
To finish strong, we're doing a killer superset. Alternate between bicep curls and tricep pushdowns. This combination will give your arms a solid pump. Push through the burn and remember, every rep gets you closer to your goal. Let's smash 3 sets of 10 reps each. Warrior rest for 30 seconds.
Cool down and stretch.
Great work today. Take a moment to stretch those arms and release any tension in your muscles.
Your arms are already feeling the difference, right? Keep pushing yourself and you'll see serious progress. Don't forget to subscribe for more workouts, tips and tricks to fuel your fitness journey.
Consistency is key. So keep this workout in your routine and watch your arms grow stronger week after week. Until next time, stay strong. Keep growing with Nutrify.